Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade taco seasoning, and it happens to be salt-free, and you can have it spicy or mild. So let's get started. I am going to add 6 tablespoons of mild chili powder or regular chili powder into this container, 5 tablespoons of paprika. You can use smoked paprika if you have it on hand, that adds a really nice touch. 5 tablespoons of cumin. You know what I love about this recipe? Is everything's probably already in your pantry. And if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. 2.5 tablespoons of dehydrated onion flakes, or you can use onion powder, whatever you like. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And you know what goes in next? Oregano. Oregano adds a really nice depth to your taco seasoning. And then it comes the heat. The heat's coming from cayenne pepper. I use a half a teaspoon for mild. If you like your spicy, go ahead and add in, a teaspoon and a half, or you can experiment and see what you like best. This makes a lot of taco seasoning. To make it really easy and quick for me, sometimes I package it up in these old used spice jars. I stick about 3 tablespoons in each jar for 1 pound of taco seasoning. So how do you use this stuff? We made it up. Let's go ahead and make some taco meat right here. So in my skillet, I am heating it over medium heat, and I am going to add in my ground beef. Now I have about 2 pounds of ground beef in here. And for this, I'm going to use 6 tablespoons or 2 of those spice jars to make it. You're also going to need water to make it up as well. For each 1 pound, I use about 3/4 cup of water. It's important to add the water. It helps cook down the chili flakes, and it also helps get the onion to rehydrate. So when it's about 90% done, I want you to take out that meat, drain it, and then put it back in the pot. And then again, we're gonna add in 2 of those jars, or a total of 6 tablespoons of the spice blend. And then I'm gonna add in 1.5 cups of water. Again, that's 3/4 cup times 2 to make up this mix. And we're gonna cook it for about 15 minutes. This will give the onions a chance to rehydrate. It'll give the chili flakes a chance to start to break down and really get blended in this really well. So what can you use this for? Tacos, burritos, nachos, you know what? Whatever you like. It's really easy to do. It could go great in a Mexican cornbread casserole. You can see it looks wonderful, rich and meaty. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.